Welcome back to Daytime Live. Yaad is best known for speaking the best in dub, but he's now transitioned into the artist he's up. Why do you have it there? It's supposed to be he has transitioned into the artist. He's going to debut his brand. I have the spaghetti on the lip right, so his brand new single right here on Daytime Live. But for the first, we're gonna chat up a little. Now this is a big move for you.
Hold on.
Yeah, right? Yeah, man, I'm good. The spaghetti tastes good. So
You sure?
I'm good now. Though. Yeah, man, digested. Right. First things first. This is a big move for you. Who or what inspired you to do this?
Well, you know, when we start play like strictly reggae, man thing, you have a style with them called, you play the chapter 2, and then, you know, the selector would chant a version and them style there. So, you know, that really kind of inspired me for one, be able to put lyrics on rhythm, you know, like Mikey Dread, you know, Uri, so Uri started same way. So, just a natural progression, you know.
So you're still spinning music?
Yeah, I mean, no, I left it.
All right, cool.
Sure.
Any EP in the works or working on?
2020, you know?
2020?
Yeah.
Same just a semi-18 now, and you know, but tell us about the mixtape.
Well, I just dropped a mixtape named Rhythm Salute now, which I highlight our rhythm culture. You know, Jamaica have a rhythm culture like no other, you know, musical genre and things. So it's just bare big rhythm. You know, I put some dub plate on it and things. So
Features anybody?
yeah, it's not me, it's other artists.
Right. Who does it feature?
Protege, Chronics, you know, Damian Marley, Harris Andy, Big Youth, all of the tops, you know.
Yeah, man. And before we get the floor, my thing is dressing.
Yeah.
I want to know where the inspiration come from.
Well,
Just you.
yeah, hardcore. You know?
Hardcore.
Yeah.
Man, look like a Jamaican.
I wonder if I can pull off. I wonder if I can pull off. You think I can pull off?
No.
Me a 6 feet.
Don't
so
pull
probably-
off nothing. No pulling off.
All right, so debuting his brand new song right here on Daytime Live. Yardcore with Read Now. Yeah.
Ready now.
Ready now. Ready now.
Yeah, ready.
Stage is yours.
Drop it. Flash it. Lord, them never know say me ready. Light up me spliff and go on. Me say me ready now. Everything rebel now. From a born man, a real rebel, yo. Set the trend, me coulda never ever second, no. No, me say me ready now. 5 plus 7 now. 12 tribes, that me nah let it go. Like the chalice grabber, hotter than a pepper, no. So pepper anytime me pass through. A hardcore thing and them wish I never true. Now every DJ have my song up in a queue. Wizard mix it down like a idol stew. Them hear my voice and them asking who. Oh, me so clean, oh, me so fresh, oh, me so new. Inna the hills like the mountain dew. Lord, my style smooth like a damn shampoo. She woulda run, she woulda fly, she woulda flew. Just to take a walk in my avenue. Me contagious, man a flew. But if you don't like me, then me don't like. The boy Judas, him a go get slow. Many are called and chosen are few. Me do me thing, me just cut and go through. And through me start sing them a screw. But me ready now. Everything rebel now. From a born man, a real rebel, yo. Set the trend, me coulda never ever second, no. Me say me ready now. 5 plus 7, no. 12 tribes, that me nah let it go. Like the chalice grabber, hotter than a. Hey, Daytime Live, what go on? Them say a long time now. Them a request me pan a beat. The people want to move them feet and have a good time now. Me have to take it to the streets. The jungle where them call concrete and a full time now. The government get impeached. Look how much I will last them breach. We have no luck right now. Visit the state where we reach. All the liquor data, them a bleach it for stop. Talking to the teachers, me talking to the cops. Well, one lock me up and put me in a hand. Just for smoke herb, but me say me nah. When me not tear up them, say me head favor map. say that me at this and then them say that me at that. But when the thing shot, you want to see how them are. You want to see how them a chat. Them say the thing shot. Them say you already know. Everything Bebel know. From up on man a real. Set the trend me could I never ever. Oh, say me already know. 5 plus 7 no. 12 tribes, that me nah. Say grab a hotter than a pepper.
No, can I dance?
5 plus 7, guess what?
11?
5 plus 7, like 11.
12.
Yeah.
12.
Ready now.
Let's say it, brother.
Respect, keep doing it. We're looking out.
Yeah, man, definitely.
We're looking out for the EP, but you know, say personal for you on social media. To find out when that's coming out. So
This Friday, May the 3rd, Delicious Vinyl Island, 12 Yard Records, that's on my label, same way.
right, social media
Yaad Core, YAADCORE.
on Instagram, Facebook,
Instagram, Facebook.
everything.
You understand?
All right.
Right.
So that's it. We must have big up. We have to say big up to our guest. She roll out. She said, "Boy, she had to be here. Come in.
Come in. You ready now? You ready now?
Come.
You have to give me a move doing already now?
Come,
Should I ready?
Listen, she was saying for big up.
The Jamaica City youths and
We can
my
hear?
supervisors, Mr. Patterson, Mr. Calvert, Mr. Powell.
You're not supposed to be at work now.
No, I'm a day off
Big
today.
up yourself. No,
I'm a
thanks.
co-worker. Big up Petrina,
Yes.
Kate, Rochelle, Keith.
Hey, and a greeting to my customer.
Thank you so much for tuning into Daytime Live. Catch us back on Friday with much more buzz, chat,
Vibe,
vibe,
and mix. You know that's already. Play it.
No, I already know. 5 plus 7 no. 12 tribes, that me nah let it go. Like the chalice grabber, hotter than a hot. Yes, a pepper anytime I pass through. The hardcore thing and them wish I never chew. Now every DJ have my song up in a queue. Flash it.